What is echolocation? I was explained in syllabus, right? So tell me, आप लोगों को
Voice
नोट्स हो
not
रहे?
break हो रही.
Hello. So the topic is echolocation in bats and cetaceans. Echolocation means the location of objects by reflected sounds, in particular that used by animal such as dolphin and bats. तो हमको यहाँ पे bats दिया हुआ है और cetaceans. So cetaceans means dolphin and whales. So what is the definition of echolocation? Echolocation is the detection of an object by means of reflex sound. जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो रिफ्लेक्स होके हमारे पास वापस आता है, हम जो सुन सकते हो साउंड को, इट इज इको. इकोलोकेशन मीन्स is the detection of an object by means of reflex sounds. It can also be said that ecology is the production of sounds and receiving the reflected sound of to know some parts of environments. Okay, then next point is the echolocation in bats. Bats are the only flying mammals. Everyone knows ना bats. Bats क्या होते हैं? Stingator. So bats are the only flying mammals with the power of real flights. There are 951 species of bats occurring everywhere in world except Arctic and Antarctic. Then highest mountain of the world, they live in a different geographical areas. Different geographical areas में रहते हैं वो, including deep inside the caves which are completely dark. Example in very deep caves of Texas,
Ma'am, screen
USA.
is not visible.
Now,
Yes.
so example यहाँ पे दिए हुए in very deep caves of Texas and USA, about 20 million bats live together. Okay, एक साथ रहते हैं वो. About 20 million bats live together and find out their food and prey in complete darkness without any distribution. Okay, then mechanism of echolocation in bats. Firstly हम लोगों ने ecolocation देखे, what is ecolocation, then ecolocation in bats, then अभी हम लोगों को उसका मैकेनिज्म पढ़ना है. Mechanism of echolocation in bats. For achieving echolocation, bat must produce some kind of sounds. Bats जो होते हैं वो कुछ sound produce करते हैं. Echolocations bat must produce some kind of sounds and must be able to understand the meaning of echo, the sound which rebound after hitting the object. To understand how it happened, it is required to know the meaning of certain terminologies that are used in echolocations. Echolocation में क्या होता है, जो sound है वो ऑब्जेक्ट को हिट होके वापस आता है, जो रिटर्न आएगा और हम लोग जो वो सुन सकते हैं, इज इकोलोकेशन. Okay, bat must produce some kind of sounds and must be able to understand the meaning of echo, the sound which rebound after hitting the object. To understand how it happened, it is required to know a meaning of certain terminology that are used in echolocation. Sound is the sensation. Sound क्या होता है? Sensation होता है. Caused in the ear by the vibration of surrounding air or other mediums. The vibration of any object cause pressure changes in the surrounding air. Vibration से क्या होता है? Vibration of any object cause pressure changes in the surrounding air. The pressure changes are received by the ear. जो pressure change होता है environment में, surrounding में जो surrounding की air है उसमें जो pressure change होता है वो हम लोग रिसीव कर सकते हैं, वो साउंड हम रिसीव कर सकते हैं. द प्रेशर चेंजेस आर रिसीव बाय द ईयर एंड आर अल्टीमेटली सेंड टू अ इनर ईयर और अ कॉचलिया. ओके, कॉचलिया क्या होता है? एनीवन नोस? जो इनर ईयर है, द पार्ट ऑफ द इनर ईयर दैट कन्वर्ट मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी मीन्स वाइब्रेशन. ओके, mechanical energy is a vibration, the part of inner ear that converts vibration into a nerve impulse sent to the brain. The sensitivity cell of cochlea receive them and selectively responds by sending a signal to the brain. Signal send किसको कर रहा है वो? Brain को. So selectively responds by the sending signal to the brain, which interprets them as a sound. The number of vibration per second is the term frequency and it's measured in hertz. इसको hertz में measure किया जाता है. Vibration per second is term frequency and it is measured in the hertz. Okay, ये ध्यान में रखना है, measure hertz में किया जाता है इसको. So mechanism easily समझ में आया आपको? Means when an animal emits a sound wave that bounces off an object, returning an echo that provides information about the object distance and size is a echolocation. Okay, simple words में mechanism इतना लंबा description दिया हुआ है, but simple description क्या है उसका? When an animal emits a sound emits करता है, sound wave जो bounce होंगी, bounce off an object returning an echo that provide information, वो उसको information provide करता है about the object distance and size. Okay, hope you understand what is echolocation. So next point is we can perceive sound from 20 hertz, means 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. But sensitivity of bat ranges from less than 100 hertz to 20,000 hertz, means 200 kilohertz. Sound vibration travel through air in pressure waves and the distance between a peak of one way to another. Sound vibration जो है वो travel through air के जरिए वो travel होता है ना. So sound vibration travel through air in pressure wave and the distance between the peak. Peak means peak is the highest or a most important point or a level, we can say, means most important point. So distance between the peak of one way to another, one point to one way to another. Okay. Another term, the wavelength, it is measured in meter. मीटर में मेजर किया जाता है उसको. The higher frequency, a shorter wavelength, further sound varies intensity from loud to quiet, and these reflect the energy or amplitude. We can say the amplitude of each wave. Amplitude is the maximum displacement or a maximum distance moved by a point on a vibrating body or a wave. Okay. The intensity of a sound is usually recorded in a decibel. जो intensity होंगी sound की, हम उसको record करते हैं, decibel में record किया जाता है. The decibel is a unit. Decibel क्या है? Unit है वो. 110 of a bell used in comparison of two power level relating to a electrical signal or a sound intensity. Next point is sound in a bat are produced by a larynx. Larynx is a voice box. Voice box होता है larynx. So sound in bats are produced by a larynx से produce करते हैं वो लोग sound. Bats जो होते हैं वो voice produce करते हैं by larynx and emit through the open mouth and nostril. Depending on a species, the sound that is produced by a bat is a ultrasonic or a ultrasonic, that is sound having a ultrasonic frequency. Okay, जो sound होता है that is produced by the bat, अल्ट्रासोनिक साउंड होता है. Okay, produced by the bat is ultrasonic or a ultrasonic, that is a sound having an ultrasonic frequency. In other words, sound with a frequency above the upper limits of a human hearing, so we can hear the sound. The spring of sound sent out by bats are known as a blips. Okay, so blips is a short high pitch sound. Short high pitch sound is a blip. The spring of sound sent out by a bats are known as a blips. These blips are a fire of very rapidly, which is faster than a machine gun. Machine gun से भी ज़्यादा fast होती है. So these blips are of a strength of noticeable at a distance of 10 centimeter in different of a bat mouth. The blast after hitting the target comes back to the bat brain, then analyzes, echoes and determines the nature of the target. Okay, as ये mechanism है, it is believed that a bat can analyze the distance of target and nature of movement of target. They can also distinguish their own personal beliefs from those produced by others. Okay, means वो डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हैं उनका अपना ओन पर्सनल कौन सा है मीन्स दे कैन ऑल्सो डिस्टिंग्विश देयर ओन पर्सनल ब्रीड फ्रॉम दोज प्रोड्यूस बाय अदर्स द bats have the different and very peculiar shapes of nose. उनका शेप बहुत डिफरेंट होता है नोज का नोज एंड फेस. This design possibly help the bat to direct and focus the sound beams. Okay, so this is the mechanism of bat, echolocation of bat. Okay, समझ में आया सबको. बहुत सिंपल मैकेनिज्म है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
वहां पे ब्लिप्स की जो स्पेलिंग दी हुई है वो BLIPS है, बट द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग इज BLEEPS. ओके, ब्लिप्स और BLEEP. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज मैकेनिज्म इकोलोकेशन इन सिटाशियन. देन उसका मैकेनिज्म देखना है. फर्स्टली हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज इकोलोकेशन इन सिटाशियन मींस डॉल्फिन एंड वेल्स. सिटाशियन आर aquatic animals. जो aquatic animals होते हैं उनको cetaceans are an aquatic animal belonging to a single group of marine mammals. सिंगल ग्रुप से बिलोंग करते हैं वो. बिलोंगिंग टू अ सिंगल ग्रुप ऑफ अ मरीन मैमल. दे बिलोंग टू अ ऑर्डर सिटासिया. ऑर्डर उसकी सिटासिया रहेंगी. of one of the subdivision of a class mammalia, cetaceans may be baleen whales. कभी सुने baleen whales? Toothed whales. Yes. Okay. So baleen whales also known as a whalebone. Whalebone भी बोलते हैं इसको. Baleen or also called as a toothless whale. अब समझ में आया? What is baleen whale? Toothless whale is called as a baleen whale. So any cetacean possessing unique epidermal modification of a mouth called as a ballet. उनके जो माउथ का मॉडिफिकेशन इपिडर्मल मॉडिफिकेशन होता है ना, possessing unique, बहुत डिफरेंट रहता है, यूनिक रहता है. Any cetacean possessing a unique epidermal modification of the mouth called as a ballet, which is used to filter food from water. Okay, so baleen whale or a toothless whale, toothed whale such as a sperm whales, white whales, dolphins, and some other similar kind of mammals. The dolphins use a mechanism to know about their surround and catch prey. This mechanism is similar to radar or a sonar. So what is radar and sonar? Firstly, tell me. जो मैकेनिज्म है वो सिमिलर होता है. सिटाशियंस का जो मैकेनिज्म रहेगा वो सिमिलर टू रडार और अ सोनार. टेल मी व्हाट इज रडार एंड सोनार. Sonar stand for sound navigation and ranging, and radar stand for radio detecting or a radio detection and ranging. Okay, sound navigation and ranging, and radio detection and ranging. This is the full form of radar and sonar. Both the system are used for a detection of object. दोनों भी जो system है radar और sonar दोनों भी object को detect करने के लिए use होते हैं. Both the system are used for a detection of object, but at different places. Places उसकी different होती है. Means sonar does detect under a water, whereas a radar does it above the land or a sea. So this is the difference between radar and sonar. Okay, hope you understand. So this mechanism is similar to radar or a sonar known as a echolocation. Radar is a system for detecting the presence of aircraft, ship, etc. by sending out a pulses of high frequency or electromagnetic waves. And sonar is a system for the underwater detection of object by reflected sounds. Okay? सोनार सिस्टम जो है वो अंडर वाटर यूज होता है. और यहाँ पे जो रडार दिया हुआ है रडार सिस्टम फॉर डिटेक्शन डिटेक्टिंग द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट शिप्स एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रडार एंड सोनार. So this is introduction of echolocation in cetacean. In the next lecture I will explain mechanism of echolocation in cetaceans. mechanism जो है वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ओके